Caught on camera. Quite the backdrop for volleyball practice. Look at that. These friends in Iceland decided to practice their spikes right next to the mesmerizing active volcano. Actually, a lot more digs and bumps. The Fagradalsfjall volcano has gotten a lot of visitors recently, so why not play a game? That's because it's spewing lava, as you can see in the background. By the way, this is the first time that's happened in 6,000 years.
Wow.
So you can't wait for the next one.
Pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
And I wonder what it sounds like.
I just hope it doesn't spew further. You know, volcanoes can like erupt, go really high and stuff.
Yeah.